We've all been there. You're super busy at home or at work, and you're trying to get way too many things done with not enough time, and then someone walks in and starts talking. You're doing the best you can to get everything done, to listen, to reply, and to just get through your day. But the problem is, what message are you sending to the person who showed up to talk? Whether it's a family member, a friend, coworker, there's an accumulation of these experiences with you, and they have a greater impact than you think. We all want to say that we're good listeners. Some of us would even say that we're great listeners. But do you know the 4 components required of true active listening? Do you know that missing just one of the 4 components means you're not listening at all? Even if you can repeat the last sentence someone said to you, there's a stark difference between hearing and listening. And there's way more to a conversation than just waiting for your turn to talk. This course breaks down the skill of active listening into 4 easy to understand components. I'll show you how each component is required of active listening, how to safeguard against stubborn obstacles that hinder your success, and the impact of active listening on your business and relationships. There's a saying, leaders are listeners. So are you ready to transform your leadership, your team dynamics, your workplace efficiency, your employee retention, your own promotional advancement opportunity, and so much more? Then you're ready to stop hearing and start listening. Let's go. I'll see you in class.